Here's some rumors with Apple. So Apple, now they accept Google Pixel 4a and Pixel 5 and the Samsung Note 20 for trade-in towards a new iPhone purchase. Previously, iPhone has been pretty strict on what you could trade in to get a new phone. Like when you would get a new iPhone, a lot of the time, like the easiest way and what they wanted was for you to just trade in an old iPhone, get money back for that, and then you could use that towards your new iPhone. But now, as part of Apple's trade-in program, customers can trade in a Google Pixel 5 and receive up to $350 towards a new product. They could trade in the Google Pixel 4a for a value of up to $180, or the Samsung Galaxy Note 20 for $425. So right now, they added a lot more products to their list. Is this going to get people to transfer over? I don't think so. I don't think this is going to be something that would incentivize people to switch over, but it's a pretty cool addition that they're making. If someone's going to switch over from Android to Apple, that's a big change. So I don't think this would be the reason why, but it is nice that they're doing this. And they have a whole list of different phones, different Android phones, a bunch of different Samsung Galaxies and Google Pixels that they now accept. They really updated the maximum trade value for almost all other Android smartphones. And that should make it easier for people to switch over if they do decide to do that. Good thing about this is that Apple has updated the maximum value. Some phones you can get a lot more than you used to be able to, and it just depends on the condition, scratches, whether the phone works, and just the basics like that.